Welcome everyone. The question is if the center of mass of the three particles of mass 1 kg, 2 kg and 3 kg is 2, 2, 2. So at first three masses are taken 1 kg, 2 kg and 3 kg. These masses are taken and at that time we have obtained the center of mass at the position 2, 2, 2. Then where should be the fourth particle 4 kg be placed so that the combined mass may be at 0, 0, 0, that is at the origin. That means in the next case 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg and 4 kg, 4 masses are taken and at that time the center of mass is at the origin, that is 0, 0, 0. Okay. So for this purpose we just consider that this 1 kg mass, let us consider this 1 kg mass is placed at the coordinate x1, y1, z1. This 2 kg mass is placed at the coordinate x2, y2, z2. And this 3 kg mass is placed at the coordinate x3, y3, z3. Okay. So when these three masses are placed here, then we get the center of mass at 2, 2, 2. But after that additionally again this 4 kg weight is added, at that time the center of mass becomes at 0, 0, 0. So let us consider again that this 4 kg mass is placed at the position x4, y4 and z4. Okay. So if I just deal with the x coordinate or y coordinate or z coordinate anything, I think then the time will be less. I can save the time. So let us at first consider for the first case. For the first case, we can say the xcm1 for the first case 1 into x1 plus 2 kg into 2 kg into y2, sorry 2 kg into x2, 3 kg into x3 divided by the sum of the masses, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3, and that is equal to 2, that is equal to these two. What I have done, that is m1 x1, m2 x2, m3 x3 equal to 2. Okay. So what I can get from here, that is x1 plus 2x2 plus 3x3. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. If it is multiplied here, it will be 12. So let us take the equation 1 is for the first case, and if I write down the similar, so that is the equation 3. Now if I just take for this particular case, then I can say that is xcm2 for the configuration 2. At that particular case m1 x1, so 1 x1, m2 x2, so 2 x2, m3 x3, that is 3 x3 plus 3 x3, m4 x4 plus 4 x4, the sum of the all the 4 masses, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay. And that is equal to 0, this one 0. So from here if I just write it down, that x1 plus 2 x2 plus 3 x3 plus 4 x4, that is equal to 0. If I substitute a value of the first equation, then it will be 12 plus 4 x4 equal to 0. So from here x4, that is equal to minus 12 divided by 4, that is minus 3. Similarly, if I write down the equation for the ycm2, that is also 0, in that particular case, if I do the calculation, we get y4 equal to minus 3. Similarly, if I write down the equation for the second configuration, that is when these 4 particles are taken together, at that particular time also we get it is 0. So here also Z4 is minus 3. So where this fourth particle, the fourth particle means the 4 kg is placed, it is placed at minus 3 comma minus 3 comma minus 3. The 4 kg, this particle when it is placed at minus 3 comma minus 3 comma minus 3, okay, then the combined center of mass of the system is at 0 comma 0 comma 0. Here it is not said that you find out x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, z1, z2, z3, not. Here they are asking just what should be the position of the 4 kg mass, that is the fourth particle. So I am just finding this thing. Thank you all of you.